Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to the Techies Mentor channel. We started this channel to provide career mentor, advice, and share valuable insight to help you grow in the tech world. If you are passionate about the technology, coding, and innovation, you come to the right place. So, on this channel, we break down complex technology concepts into easy, understandable lessons, provide career advice, and share valuable insight to help you grow in the tech world. Whether if you are a fresher or a beginner or an experienced professional, we offer mentorships, tips, and inspirational to help you level up your skills. We specialized in Azure, AWS Devops, Azure AWS Cloud, Azure Data Engineer, SAP HANA, SharePoint, Power Apps, Power Automate, Python, .NET, and more technical skills will come into the future with real-time knowledge. We specialize with all this technology and delivering on learning and in-depth knowledge about the technology that drive into the modern IT industry. But that's not all. We are here to mentor on all the things tech, from programming and software development to cloud computing and IT operations, extra, etc. We provide the tools, resources, guidance you need to be succeed in future. In the future, we will offering even more technological trainings, real-time knowledge, helping you to stay ahead of with a practical up-to-date insight that are relevant to the today tech challenges. Stay tuned for planned tech news about what is going on in the IT world. So you're always informed about the latest trends, tools, and innovations. We also provide tutorials, live sessions, question answers, much more in future. Let's build your tech future together. If you like our content, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with all our tech videos. Once again, thank you very much.